Cracked concrete? Whether it's a driveway, a patio, a garage floor, or your basement wall, it's more than just an eyesore. Left unchecked, those tiny lines can lead to big-time water damage, tripping hazards, or even serious structural issues. But don't panic. You don't need to hire a contractor or spend a fortune. In today's video, we're diving into the best concrete crack fillers of 2025, tested, reviewed, and broken down so you can fix that damage fast, smart, and for the long haul. From super tough epoxies to waterproof sealants, we've got options for every crack, every surface, and every skill level. Links to each product are in the description below. Check them out and grab the one that suits your project best. Let's get into it. And finally, closing out our list at number 6, we've got a total powerhouse, Drylok Fast Plug Hydraulic Cement. If time is of the essence and you're dealing with active water leaks, this is the crack filler you need in your toolkit, no question. This stuff is crazy fast. We're talking about a cure time of just 3 to 5 minutes. You heard that right. Once you mix it, you've got a narrow window to get it into place, and then boom, it locks in, seals up, and hardens like concrete on caffeine. What makes it different is that it's not just for patching surface cracks, it's specially formulated to seal leaks under pressure, even in wet or submerged conditions. Whether it's water trickling through your basement wall, a leaky pool crack, or even a bird bath that just won't hold water, Fast Plug can patch it on the spot. You'll need to mix it yourself, 3 parts powder to 1 part water, so this isn't a grab-and-go squeeze tube. But once it's ready, you work fast and press it deep into the crack using a trowel or putty knife. Smooth it out as you go, and it'll start setting right in your hands. Seriously, don't mix more than you can use in a couple of minutes. So if you're in a pinch, fighting a leak, or just want something that'll lock in, seal tight, and stay put, Drylok Fast Plug is the fastest-setting concrete crack filler on the market right now. A true lifesaver for wet weather emergencies or foundation repairs. All right, moving into the number 5 spot, we've got the DAP Concrete Siliconized Filler and Sealant, and this one's all about protection against the elements. If your concrete takes a regular beating from rain, snow, oil, or salt, this is the sealant you want in your corner. Now first off, DAP's formula includes silicone, and that's what gives it that waterproof, slightly flexible finish that won't crack, bubble, or peel, even as temps swing or your concrete expands and contracts. We tested this one on driveway edges, walkway cracks, and foundation seams, anywhere water tries to sneak in, and it held up like a champ. Application? Super easy. Just pop it in a standard caulk gun and you can seal cracks up to ½ inch wide in no time. It spreads thick but not messy, and you can smooth it over with a damp putty knife for a clean, flush finish. And the adhesion? Top tier. Whether it's raw concrete, brick, stucco, or even wood trim nearby, it bonds and stays put. It dries to a light gray that blends with most concrete. But if you're picky about color, no worries. You can paint it just 2 hours after it dries. That said, while it's dry to the touch fast, we recommend giving it a full day before exposing it to water. And for a full cure, expect up to 2 weeks, especially in cooler weather. Coming in hot at number 4, we've got the Sika Ready Mix Concrete Patch. And let me tell you, if you've got large cracks or spalled concrete that's making your surfaces look like a construction zone, this is your new best friend. What sets the Sika Ready Mix apart is simplicity. There's no mixing, no fuss, just pop the lid, grab a trowel, and start patching. Whether you're dealing with broken corners on stairs, crumbling mortar joints, or big surface chips in sidewalks or walls, this thick acrylic-based patch goes on like a dream. Now, here's where it shines. If you're dealing with cracks wider than usual or damaged areas with missing chunks, this stuff is built to fill it deep. You can even layer it for damage that goes past ¼ inch. But keep in mind, you'll want to wait a full 24 hours between layers to let it set properly. It goes on smooth, dries with a slightly textured finish that blends really nicely with existing concrete, and once it's cured, you can paint it to match. And yeah, it holds strong. It doesn't shrink, crack, or crumble like some of the budget brands we tested. So once you patch it, you're done. Coming in at number 3, we've got a kit that's built for the serious jobs, the kind of fix that can make or break the long-term health of your home. We're talking about the Radon Seal Concrete Foundation Crack Repair Kit. This isn't your average surface patch. It's the real deal when it comes to sealing cracks in foundation walls and basement slabs from the inside out. Let me break this down for you. This kit is designed to permanently seal vertical cracks up to ½ inch wide in poured concrete walls. And it doesn't just keep out water, it also blocks radon gas, insects, mold spores, and even air leaks. So you're not just fixing a crack, you're sealing your home against a whole list of potential problems. Each kit can repair up to 10 feet of cracks, and it comes with everything you need except the caulk gun. You get surface seal paste, injection foam, ports, and mixing nozzles. It's all there. Just follow the steps, and you'll be amazed at how professional your repair looks when it's done. If you've got cracks in your basement or foundation walls, don't wait for water leaks or worse. The Radon Seal kit is a total game changer, and in our testing, it stood out as the most comprehensive and reliable foundation crack repair you can buy. If you're dealing with deep cracks or heavy-use areas like garage floors, driveways, or even foundation slabs, and you want something that'll actually last, this next one's a beast. Coming in at number 2 is the Rust-Oleum Concrete Patch and Repair. And let me tell you, this stuff is no joke. It's a 100% epoxy formula, which means once it cures, it's actually stronger than the concrete itself. We're talking industrial-level toughness in a simple DIY package. It's designed to fill in cracks and even deeper holes, up to half an inch thick in a single pass. And if you've got something deeper, no problem. Just layer it up after a few hours. It bonds so tightly to the concrete that once it's dry, it won't shrink, won't crack, and won't flake away over time. Another bonus? Fast cure time. On a mild day, say around 70 degrees, you're looking at just 8 hours before it's cured and ready for traffic. That means you can patch up your garage floor in the morning and be parking your car on it that evening. Once dry, it's resistant to just about everything. Water, salt, oil, gas, chemicals, road grime, you name it. It also dries to a medium concrete gray, which blends in nicely, and yes, you can paint or sand it if you want a more polished finish. If you're looking for the gold standard in horizontal crack repair, this is it. The Sikaflex Pro Self-Leveling Sealant is hands down our top pick for repairing driveways, sidewalks, garage floors, you name it. Why? Because it checks all the boxes. It fills cracks between 1/4 of an inch and 1.5 inches wide, has excellent adhesion, and remains flexible. So it can handle all those freeze-thaw cycles and temperature swings like a champ. This stuff dries to the touch in just a couple of hours and fully cures in a few days. Plus, it self-levels. That means once you apply it with a caulk gun, it settles into a smooth, flat finish without you having to scrape or sand. It's weatherproof, shrink-resistant, and blends in well with most concrete. You can even paint or stain it after it cures. Just a heads up, it's made for flat surfaces only, so no vertical wall repairs with this one. But for horizontal jobs, total home run. All right, those are our top picks for the best concrete crack fillers of 2025. Whether you need fast-setting power, waterproof protection, or a heavy-duty patch that'll outlast your driveway, one of these will fit the bill. You'll find links to all the products we talked about down in the description. Check them out, read up, and grab the one that's right for your project. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and let us know in the comments. What kind of repair are you working on next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.